Hi friends, welcome back to Tirupati Ganvi YouTube channel, and today we are almost in a jungle. I can say this is almost an artificial jungle where you can say this is international robotic exhibition, where you can able to hear behind me is almost an eagle, which is almost an electronic eagle. You can see the sound. The location you can find out in my description, but I just want to tell you where exactly the location is. You have to be there. That this is the first time in Whitefield, Varthur, this kind of international robotic birds exhibition had found here. The location you can able to find that you have to come Varthur police station. From Varthur police station exactly it is 500 meters. So you can able to see the location in my description. So let's proceed further inside the artificial jungle. So friends, one more thing I just want to tell you about the parking. So about the four-wheeler or two-wheeler is exactly everything is almost, you can say, free. So there is no parking charges. So four-wheeler, two-wheeler, everything is free parking. So please come along with your family and just enjoy the first time international robotic birds jungle. So timings very important. So daily evening 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. the timings are, but Saturday and Sunday you can able to find out it is exactly 4:30 it will open and exactly 10 p.m. it will close. Only Saturday and Sunday, but rest of the days from Monday to Friday the timings are 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Regarding about the payment is about what I told you is 50 rupees per head. So have both the options. You can pay by online like Google Pay or Phone Pay, or even you can acceptable by 50 rupees by cash. So friends, this is what exactly the entrance is. Very beautifully they had constructed. It's the total time to build this kind of exhibition, this robotic exhibition. It took almost 15 days for them. So this is how the entry is. It was almost they have prepared very wonderful. And friends, I just want to tell you the exhibition will be here. The exhibition will be here. It started from July 1st and it will be end in the month of August 30th. So don't waste time. Whenever you have a free time with your family members, please come and enjoy the International Robotic Animals Exhibition. Wow, the first entrance is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So friends, I'm just inside the small robotic jungle. So you can't believe that here number of animals, or you can say more number of birds are there. Animals also there, like for example you can say elephant and alligator like that, but number of birds are there. So you can see the thing is that once you will come here, so penguin or parrot, the sound what you can able to hear, so it's exactly you can say this original sound. What about you can say the bird sound or the animal sound. So this is what exactly I just want to show you. No, you can't imagine. So see, from penguin to parrot, you will have an anaconda also, and no, there are so many things. So you can enjoy with your families, with your children. So many things are there. Crocodile. My goodness, it looks like exactly holding a crocodile. Dinosaur board. Board picker. Nah, nah, no, no. So the parrot, so this is what we call as a parrot. A white parrot, you can say, it's showing no, no, don't take photo, don't take video, no, no, don't take photo. So what, the anaconda. So don't go in front of anaconda because it's very dangerous. It can attack anytime, so always be little bit back only. So elephant showering the water from the pond. So you will all get a children's play section from ball to mask, and everything is available here. So friends, I just want to show you what exactly is there. So once upon a time, what we are playing, the ring game. So here the cost is 50 rupees. You will get 6 rings. The thing is that whichever amount the ring will go, that kind of amount you will get, might be 100, 50, 80, whatever. So the thing is that the ring should go on that particular amount and you will get that amount. So it's only 50 rupees, you will get 6 rings. Friends, so this is what exactly a balloon shoot section. You can say from 100 you will get 10 shoots. In the 10 shoot, if you burst 6 balloons, you will get that gift. Awesome, right? We'll take a little bit more closer look. So friend, this is what exactly a scary house. So this is also a 50 rupees ticket. Inside you will get many scary things and many ghosts. But I just want to go, but I really scared with the ghosts, so I don't want to go inside the scary house because there are many ghosts, right? So I will show you something else. Ooh. You will also have a refreshment zone where you will get a lot of papad kind of things, bhaji, bonda, whatever you want. So already it's already started. Friends, I just want to show you what exactly in front of me. That is called as a dragon train. So this is cost exactly per head 80 rupees. You can feel enjoyment really. It goes very fast. Friends, this is a dragon boat. So the cost is per head is 80 rupees. So definitely, the ride is amazing. Definitely it will be. So friend, there is a giant wheel. What we can say, a giant wheel also, the cost is exactly 80 rupees per head. And you will find really a joyful ride. friends, how the video is. Please comment your comments are very important to us, so that's what please comment in the comment section, and for the location please just check our description, you will find the location of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support us, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.